And good morning, good evening, good afternoon, students and traders. This is Michael, the so-called FXFreedom, and this is the Professional Forex Trading Course 101. Happy Tuesday, right? Tuesday, Monday, Tuesday, today. Everybody, this is Forex Course 101. Never forget, trading is a learnable skill when we learn in the correct way. And you are going to graduate from this course when, number one, you have your chart set up and ready for trading. Number two, you have your strategy in place. You understand why you win, why you lose. And number three, you have a complete understanding on how this market works so you can analyze the market and make an educated prediction. Risk disclaimer, as always, these streams are not trading or investment advice. These streams are for educational purposes only, especially in the Forex Trading Week Part 4, where we are trying to implement what we have learned so far into the live markets. That being said, everybody, yesterday Brotto entered short AUD/USD. What are we going to do today? Type in the chat. Long, short, sideways, stay out, whatever, right? As always, there is no right or wrong. And where is, make it lower, right? Make it down. There you go. Hello Broto, how are you? Broto, my friend from Indonesia. Got it right? Got it right this time? Not Malaysia, but Indonesia. I told you tomorrow. First from Africa, then from Malaysia, now it's Indonesia. Got it right, right? My friend Brota from Indonesia. Okay, everybody. There is no right or wrong. Euro JPY, AUD/USD. File open. There you have it. AUD/CAD, AUD/CHF, AUD/JPY, AUD/NZD, AUD/USD. Canada CHF, Canada JPY, CHF, correct, of course. You know, I'm a slow learner, right? I'm a slow learner, but going to get there. Everybody, Canada CHF, CHF JPY, Euro AUD, Euro CAD, Euro CHF, Euro GBP, GBP CAD, GBP CHF, GBP JPY, GBP NZD, NZD CAD, NZD CHF. You know the common practice: time frame, currency pair, time frame, long or short, what pattern, and where is going to go the stop loss and the take profit. AUD/CAD, why not? Why not? AUD/CAD. Whoops, not this one. Hello Dimitar, how are you? Euro GBP, yes sir. Give it a second. Your charts are going to look like in a few months like this, everybody, but so far, classes. Euro GBP. Euro GBP 4-hour chart, thank you very much. Long or short? What pattern? Euro GBP, everybody. Euro GBP 4-hour chart. Long or short? What pattern? This is Euro GBP 4-hour chart, everybody. There is no right or wrong. Type in the chat. Long, short, buy, sell, what pattern? Where is the stop loss? Where is the take profit? Now, Euro GBP, it's a little bit different than the other ones because Euro GBP on the monthly chart is locked in consolidation. Euro GBP from the monthly, it's locked inside this consolidation. Alright? And we learned about trend lines. We've learned about trend lines. We are going to implement the trend lines so far. In the meantime, we're waiting for Dimitar to tell us long or short. Now there is no right or wrong. You just need to be clear. What are you doing? You know, it's a skill. You can learn this. Clara by the time now knows already. You know, it's a skill. So the market was in an uptrend, then the market broke the uptrend line, then the market was in a downtrend, lower low until here it was in a downtrend, broke the trend line, then the market was, still is by the way, it still is in an uptrend, right? Still in an uptrend, and this would be one, and this would be the second one, like this. Cannot break candles, something like this, right? Starting from here to here, higher highs, higher lows, and we are here right now. It made just for a few pips lower low, and now we have this downtrend line too. Short on the short-term trend for our chart, everybody. Some of you are still mixing market waves with the short-term trend, right? Short on the short-term trend. Exit, and we are here. Euro GBP sell, stop loss is going to be 0.89333. Okay, submit sell. There you go. There you go, everybody. Euro GBP. Okay, and Dimitar is saying, well, take profit is going to be 2 times, so this is 1 and clone and clone, right? Okay, everybody, by the way, this is the market wave, extension, retracement, extension. The short-term trend are the smaller ones. What do you think about Euro GBP going short, everybody? Do we have any challenges? Maybe yes, maybe not, right? Market exactly, higher highs, higher lows. So let's see market wave from the top, right? One more time, how we are going to understand what is an extension, what is a retracement. You are going to see, everybody, a change in the short-term trend. So lower lows, lower highs, you know, extension, retracement, extension. Let me see. Lower low until here. Extension. Is this? Give me a second, everybody. So still a lower low, right? Extension, retracement, extension, retracement, extension. Then we had an up market wave that was broken, you know, first leg. Down market wave, extension, broken again. And moving up. So starting from here, higher highs, higher lows, lower highs. Who knows, what does it mean when the market breaks your market wave 2 or 3 times? What does this mean? In what environment are we if the market breaks the market wave 2 or 3 times? Who knows? Extension, low, high, low, lower lows, lower highs, low. So extension, retracement, down here, higher high, market wave. And now push back down, push back up. We need to adjust the market wave. Adjust the market wave on the 4-hour chart. Adjust the market wave. See everybody what you are trading? Sideways, exactly. Sideways chaos. It was chaotic in here, everybody. This was making higher highs and was making lower lows. This is chaos in here. Stay out of this one. If you are on the smaller time frame, stay out of this one. Nonetheless, everybody, we are shorting. What do you think about this trade? It's a high probability trade, it's a low probability trade based on what you see. There is no right or wrong. The market is making lower lows, lower highs, make no mistakes. Alright? So as you can see, everybody, the market went up, 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 and went back down, 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 down. Anybody else wants to trade Euro GBP? If not, please type in the chat another currency pair, another time frame, another pattern. Great job, Dimitar. Great job. Well, correct. Talking about the take profit, right? We might have some issues talking about profit taking, because it must take out the low of the up market wave so far. And what else did we learn? We learned about the confirmation time frame. So if this is the 4-hour time frame, we need to go on the daily and delete a few things and try to make sense out of the daily. Let's see what is the daily telling us, right? Out, delete, delete, delete a few things to be clearer. Delete. Hedge fund Dimitar, did you enter prematurely, yes or no? Everybody, did we enter prematurely? We learned about the trading time frame and we learned about the confirmation time frame. Did we, not just Dimitar, we're all the same, did we enter prematurely? Everybody, did we enter prematurely? There is the good news and there is the bad news. What is the good news? It's not dangerous to short the market. There is no right or wrong. We have a good news and the bad news, Dimitar. Which one do you want? Good news and bad news. I trade a short on trend which on daily is short again. We're in an uptrend. Candle not close below the line. Exactly. Desert Island got it right. Good news for you, Dimitar. On the daily, the market's making... So this is still a higher low. The market made a lower high. Okay. So you've just entered a 75% downtrend from the daily. But knowledge, everybody, this is the skill. We've entered prematurely. As Desert Island said it best, candle not closed. See everybody, this candle daily, it's still forming. What if it closes bullish? Would you enter shorting the 4-hour chart if the daily candle closes bullish, everybody? Forex course, Forex trading week. Implement what we have learned. Everybody, if you don't implement what we have learned, then number 3 is going to be difficult in the advanced course for you. Implement what we have learned so far. Number 3, you have a complete understanding of how this market works. Okay? There is no right or wrong, but this is the education. We've learned already that we have the trading time frame and we have the confirmation time frame, and we've learned that if your strategy is not saying otherwise, before you short this candle on the 4-hour chart, you should look at the daily too. Make sense, everybody? Dimitar is saying, I would not enter at this exact moment, but you ask us to enter immediately for the sake of the lesson. Yes, sir, absolutely true. Correct. Dimitar is correct, everybody. Great answer, thank you very much. Anybody else on Euro GBP? Nobody. Alright, so what did we say? Clone chart. Let's AUD CAD, right? We had news announcement out of Canada this morning, everybody. AUD CAD daily chart, long or short? AUD CAD daily chart, everybody. Long or short? Let's see how smart you are. Not right or wrong. Yes, you can ask for any time frame. You can ask for 15-minute chart, 2-hour chart, 1-hour chart. AUD CAD daily chart, just an example. Uptrend line, and finally uptrend line. Highs and lows. High to low to high to low to high to low. Not a low. To low to high to low to high to low. How are you going to make pips and money, everybody? How are you going to take advantage of AUD CAD daily chart? Do you want to buy? Do you want to sell? Most likely, just maybe, this market is locked in this tiny consolidation. Next, clone chart. GBP JPY, why not, right? GBP JPY daily chart. What is the GBP JPY daily chart telling you? Can we check confirmation time frame? What currency pair, Shola? What currency pair? Absolutely we can. Just be, if you would be so kind and be more specific, everybody. GBP JPY. Looks like difficult, right? But it's not. Weekly short-term trend is 70 up, so I would not sell. What currency pair, Dimitar? Oh, AUD CAD maybe. Everybody give me a second. Okay, sorry about that. AUD CAD, okay. It's actually 100% confirmed uptrend. AUD CAD daily chart. Shola is asking for the confirmation time frame, which is clone chart, is the weekly time frame. Out. What is the weekly telling you? Great question, Shola. What is the weekly telling you? Is this market going to fall? Is this market going to rise? Should we project another falling week? Weekly chart. This from the past lessons. Lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, higher highs, higher lows. Okay, Shola. We didn't learn yet support, resistance, pivot points, but we are at past support in here. No, there is no right or wrong. AUD CAD, weekly chart. This is now the daily. Kind of in consolidation, right? One and clone up in here. Julius, short. Are you talking about AUD CAD or are you talking about GBP, JPY, Julius? Which one? AUD CAD short. Okay, what time frame? What time frame? What pattern? Where is the stop loss? Where is the take profit? Boss, what if we don't have any pattern? Then you don't enter. Everybody, never forget Forex course 101. You are trading patterns. Always, 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 always. And this is good news, because when you win, there was a pattern there. And when you lose, when we lose, there is something on the chart that we were just not aware of. Does this make sense to everybody? When you win, there is something on the chart. But when you lose, there is something on the chart too. So we are trading patterns. Boss, what if we don't have a pattern? Then you don't enter. Make sense, everybody? Whatever the pattern, stop loss goes on the pattern traded. Hedge fund trader Julius, shorting the market. What time frame, what pattern? Boss, the market's making lower lows, lower highs. Well, yes, right? So high to low. This is not a low. Pay attention. This is not a low. High to low to high to. This is not a low. So this is the low. Right? So the market is making lower lows, lower highs so far. But the market is also locked in this consolidation. Shorting the market, all good. What pattern? Where is the stop loss? Julius, do you want to put the stop loss above this high, or do you want to put the stop loss above the higher high? And remember risk reward ratio, right? If you put the stop loss above the higher high, then you need to go 1 per 2 minimum. 1 per 2. So from the daily standpoint, it might take you a little while. Clara, I am confused with what pattern is. On weekly it is higher lows, higher highs. Clara, Julius didn't say anything yet about the pattern. On the weekly it's making higher highs, higher lows. Yes it is. Weekly chart, starting from the monthly bands. We've learned all of this, everybody. So extension, retracement, extension, the market wave. Market wave is stronger than the short-term trend, everybody. Never forget this. Extension, retracement, extension. Then see this huge consolidation. So retracement, extension goes to where? Down in here. This is the market wave on AUD weekly chart. Retracement. See everybody? So all of this mess, up and down, up and down, up and down, lower lows, higher highs, lower lows, lower lows, lower higher highs. See all of this mess, everybody? If you go long, let's ask a better question today. What is, in your opinion, less risky, to go long or to go short? If this is what you see, right? Yes, this is the market wave. The market is making lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs until here. Start making higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs until here. And start making again lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs. But it didn't make a new lower low. Didn't break this one. So this market is still in a down market wave. In your opinion, what is less risky? I cannot tell you how many times this is a bull trap, everybody. Bull trap for you. How many beginner traders think just because the market break this high, oh, this market is going to go up and up and up, and it's not. 7 times out of 10. Can you say the patterns we have to look out for? Uptrend, downtrend, sideways, up market wave, down market wave. In the future lessons, but you've learned already, Clara, Fibonacci is a tradable pattern, crown is a tradable pattern, double tops, double bottoms, triple tops, triple bottoms. Okay? Broto says less risky, short. Desert Island, short. Dimitar, short. The market never breaks structure. We should consider past support in FDK daily time frame. To go long or short? Okay. So short. Is anything wrong if I trade consolidation on the 15-minute chart as a day trader? Is anything wrong if I trade maybe the 1-hour chart? Just maybe, why not, right? So 1-hour chart too. Let's take a look. 1-hour chart. Can you see it, everybody? Consolidation. And be aware of false breakouts, right? Boss, how do you know where to put consolidation lines? Wow, great question. Well, when you can see that it reversing most of the time, right? I cannot put this consolidation line up in here. This would be a mistake. Make sense, everybody? It's a great question where to put consolidation lines. Where you see the market rejecting or changing directions. So the market went up until here and went back down, right? And if I put this one like this, See what happened in here? So I prefer to do it like this. Can you see consolidation, everybody? So I don't have the crystal ball. In my humble opinion, the market is going to go until up in here somewhere and then start to reverse until it's going to one day is going to break out. We don't know on the upside or the downside. Brought a down market wave. Okay, everybody, what about GBP JPY? How are you going to take advantage on GBP JPY 4-hour chart? If you have a trade, everybody, that you are in and you don't understand why are you winning or why are you losing, type in the chat. We are here to clarify to you. Okay. Yes, if you're in a trade that you don't quite understand why it's losing, technically speaking, or why it's winning, type in the chat. Let's check the trade. And there is no right or wrong. GBP JPY 4-hour chart. What, 2-hour chart better? Let's change. I don't have it. Add more hour, 2-hour chart. Apply. Okay, 2-hour chart. Why not? Two-hour chart. There you go. Long or short on the 2-hour chart? This is what you see. This is the daily trend line. So short term, right? Up trend line, we learned about trend lines. Up trend line, then it's a down trend line so far, right? Boss, I cannot see. Go on the higher time frame. This is a trick. Market making lower lows, lower highs, right? Yes, you go on the daily chart. Well, it's all the same, right? You can go on the daily chart and now you can chart the short-term trends from the daily with the trend lines. Uptrend was making higher highs, higher lows. Downtrend was making lower lows, lower highs. Uptrend was making higher highs, higher lows. Downtrend was making lower lows, lower highs. Uptrend, yes, if you want, you have more, right? You have the medium term higher highs, higher lows. Okay, this is just an example. But if you go right in here, so what was happening in here? The market was making higher highs, higher lows until here, and then was making lower lows, lower highs until here. Back in time it was like this, then pushed higher, and then it pushed lower. So we need to adjust. This is the downtrend line. Alright. And the short term or medium term downtrend line from the daily could be something like this. And then you go on the 2-hour chart, checking if we... No, there is no right or wrong. If you want, you can do something like this, right? No, I cannot do it like this. This would be wrong. Market making lower lows, lower highs. I cannot break these candles and wicks tails. This is the down trend line like this. Brought along, very good. What time frame, what pattern? Everybody, what time frame, what pattern do you want to go long on? There is no right or wrong. Everybody, GBP JPY, 2-hour chart. Type in the chat. Do you want to buy? Do you want to sell? What pattern are you going long on? What pattern are you going short on? Where is the stop loss? Where is the take profit? Clara, this would be an example of double bottoms here. This is a bottom. This is a bottom. This is a tradable pattern. The market went up and down, right? Of course, double bottoms, triple bottoms are also many times part of some consolidation. Okay. So if you went long on these double bottoms, you had the probability. Now here you have triple tops, right? Triple tops, one top, went down, second top, it went down, third top, it went down, but then it went out of consolidation. This is what the market do, right? You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tops here. And then the market went out of consolidation, right? Trying to get up and down. Hello boss, hello Julius. Shola, long on the 4-hour, okay, what? Everybody, what pattern? What pattern? So Shola wants 4-hour chart, there you go. What pattern are we going long on? Everybody, you must, it's a cliche quote, right? If you fail to plan, you plan to fail. What does this mean in the financial markets? You must know what pattern are you going to trade before you enter the market. Fair enough? Talking about being fair, you must have a plan. What pattern, how much you are going to risk on the pattern. It might be 0.5% per trade, 1% per trade. Short-term trend. Short-term trend, short-term trend, short-term trend. Let's see, short-term trend. Low to high, too high, too low, low to high, too low, too high, too low, too high. Something might happen with Bitcoin, my dogs are getting crazy. Low to high, too low, too high, very good. Long 4 hours, stop loss 169, take profit 169. Okay, Brota is going long. Anybody else? Shola 2. Okay, GBP/JPY, let's buy. I'm going to enter 2 times for Shola and Broto. Submit. Let's buy. And 2 orders, everybody. 2 orders. 2 orders. GBP long. Alright, add the stop loss is where, Broto? Take profit 169. Okay, so take profit it's 169. Add the take profit 169.000. Submit. What about the stop loss? GBP/JPY 4-hour chart. GBP/JPY 4-hour chart. 169. Okay. Breakout of what? Everybody, breakouts are not patterns. Are we clear? A breakout is not a pattern. Okay. 160. All right, 160. 160 169, add a stop loss 160.000, submit. Shola, what about you? GBP JPY 4-hour chart. Okay, excellent risk reward ratio, everybody. So this is the entry, Broto's entry, this is the stop loss, and this is the take profit. 1 almost for 2. Very good. What do you think, everybody? Is this a good trade, bad trade? Talking about not right or wrong, talking about probabilities. Is this a high probability trade, everybody, or is this a low probability trade? Are Broto and Shola trading what you see or not? Man, something must happen with Bitcoin, right? The dogs are always getting crazy. Everybody, I have 5 minutes, then I need to go. What do you think? Is this a high probability trade? High probability, very good. Okay. We are going to learn also in the future lessons how to manage our trades, right? Because we tend to get scared if the market is going to go up and up and up. It's going to come to this downtrend line, then it's going to retrace down to here most likely before it's going to get up one more time. And in between we feel happy and sad, sad and happy. We feel anxious to make money, we feel sad to lose money, right? Bitcoin, good one. What about the upper trend line? Great question. Great question. Everybody, what do you think about the uptrend line? Is the uptrend line a reason to stay out of the trade? There is no right or wrong, right? There is no right or wrong. Some of us, we are going to see this market, we are going to see the price action, and we are going to buy because we believe the market is going to push up. Agreed? Based on what we see, markets making higher highs, higher lows. Alright. Somebody else is going to see the same chart and is going to see the downtrend line, and the downtrend line is going to be the reason to stay out. Agreed, everybody? What is the correct thing to do? Whatever your strategy is saying to do. If your strategy is saying to buy the uptrend, then you must not consider the downtrend line and you must buy the market. If your strategy is saying buy the uptrend but don't buy the uptrend if there is an uptrend line or downtrend line 50 pips in front of you, then you don't buy it. It will stall the price for a while, but there is a high probability the market will resume up. We don't know what is going to happen, right? But if you're in a trade making money and pips, hopefully on a demo account, and if you entered on the 4-hour time frame, and you see then the market start reversing, start to making lower lows, lower highs on the smaller time frame, then maybe you should pocket the profits and prepare for the next one. But this is for the future, everybody, because we're going to learn how to manage the trades. Okay? No, there is no right or wrong. In the advanced course, Julius knows. In the advanced course, you are going to fight, everybody. What? You are going to fight the concepts. In the advanced course, you are going to be looking for an edge. The edge is what makes the money to the trader, and the edge is based on black and white rules not subject to interpretation. So if your strategy is saying buy the uptrend, you must buy the uptrend. And if your strategy is saying don't enter 50 pips or 100 pips in front of support, resistance, pivot points, whatever, then even though you see the market shooting up, you must not enter. And if you don't obey the rules of your strategy, then what? Exactly. If you don't obey the rules of your strategy, no edge. No edge for you. Okay, everybody. Today I need to go. I'm sorry, my time is up. See you back tomorrow. Until tomorrow, stay strong and trade for freedom. You want to be free, right? Julius knows. Right, Julius? Focus on the process. Don't focus on the money. But this comes next, everybody. Until tomorrow, stay strong. This is FX